Hello, hello, hello. The projector goes on, and we have the game of the Turing test. Eventually, we did play it. It's 4 years old now, so we got time up. We got projected. Projected now, baby ways. Yeah, it's a Turing test. I thought I was going to get a bit into it. And oh, hello. Do you know? Because it might be one. We don't know. Do we know? I don't know. We know. What we don't know. Just thank you. Boy, we got into it like that. I thought I was going to go. Oh, look, this is this bit, but I only got up to the desk in the prologue of it. I did wonder that it was. What? Yep. What? No. Yeah. So yeah, it's good. Chris or not? We don't know. We don't know. Is it okay? Hello.